Good morning, friends. Today I'm telling you what is the difference between fruits and vegetables. Let us start. The word fruit usually describes any fleshy part of a plant that has developed from a flower and has seeds. Vegetables are herbaceous plants. An herbaceous plant is one that has a soft stem and little or no woody tissue. Friends, according to botanists, the part of a plant that carries seeds is its fruit. They divide fruits into three main classes: fleshy fruits with the seeds in the flesh, such as oranges, melons, berries, and apples. Fruits containing pits or stones, such as cherries, plums, and peaches, and dry fruits such as nuts, grains, beans, and peas. If it surprises we to learn that botanists consider beans and peas fruits because they contain seeds, we will even more surprised to learn that cucumbers and marrows can be called fruits also. It all depends on how technical we want to be. In addition, because eating customs vary in different parts of the world, the same edible part of a plant may be considered a fruit in one place and a vegetable in another. Just as there are families of related creatures in the animal kingdom, so many vegetables are related. Did we know, for example, that the cabbage, turnip, radish, broccoli, and cauliflower all belong to one family of vegetables? Friends, lettuce, chicory belong to another vegetable family. The gourd family includes cucumbers, melons, and pumpkins. The pea family consists of peas, all kinds of beans, peanuts, and soybeans. Asparagus is related to the common onion, leek, garlic, and shallot. Beets, spinach, and Swiss chard all belong to one family. And here is an interesting one: the nightshade family. It includes potatoes, eggplants, peppers, and tobacco. Fruits and vegetables are alike in that they supply us with the vitamins and minerals that help to keep us healthy. Friends, the tomato plant is a relative of the potato and tobacco plants. It needs a long growing season and light, rich, well-drained soil. In northern Europe and the northern United States, it is often grown in the hot houses during the winter. It is also grown in Florida, Texas, and Mexico during the winter. Winter tomatoes are picked while green and shipped to northern markets. the ribbon on the way to market. Friends, if you are enjoying my channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe also. Don't forget to click the bell button, friends. Bye bye.